What's up, everybody? Stealth Rogue here. Today we have the ASP Sentry chain cuffs. ASP, #1 trusted brand for all law enforcement. Anyway, smooth action for the Sentries here. Double locks on both sides, keyways on both sides. Wonderful feature. Go ahead and double lock these right quick. Easy access, double lock on the slide. And now we don't need those. So here's a few weaknesses that make these absolute garbage cuffs to have. So for starters, double locks are already engaged. I've already demonstrated that. And all it takes is a simple wrap and double locks undone. Wonderful feature there. Yeah. Anyways, so that's defect #1 for these absolute garbage handcuffs here. #2, paperclip, standard household item. Just slide it in there, push down, and out they come. Just like that. Standard paperclip. Moving on. Very simple piece of a zip tie end. Usually you can find these in construction sites, building sites, whatever. Or, businesses. Just slide it in. Just like that. And bobby pin, why not? Sure, everybody can slip a bobby pin anywhere. It doesn't have to be in a certain spot that's obvious, like a pocket or anything like that. No, it could be a shoe, sock, wherever. Just, slide it in, bada bing, bada boom. Out it goes. And what else? Oh, everybody has access to playing cards. Sure, why not? Let's just go ahead and slide this down. And, out it comes. Boom. All right, playing card. Oh, and always gotta love it. Business cards. Anybody can get access to a business card. Why not? Sure. So I'm just, get out of it with business card. And you don't even have to undo them all the way. You can just, slide your hand right in and out. So, ASP Sentry. Absolute trash.